Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.SUGANYA, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to see about the introduction about computer forensics fundamentals. So what is computer forensics? So we know the term computer, but forensics, which means that it is examining some digital evidence to identify, collect, or preserve some relevant data, like we can see in railway stations, we can see in airport, we can see in organizations, we can see in institutions. Okay, so it is referred to as computer forensic analysis, as electronic discovery, electronic evidence discovery, digital discovery, data recovery, data discovery, we can say, and computer analysis and computer examination, and which is a process of methodically examining the computer media such as hard disk, diskettes, tapes, etc. for evidence. A thorough analysis by a skilled examiner can result in the reconstructions of the activities of a computer user. So in other words also we can say, like, computer forensic means it is a collection or preservation, analysis and presentation of computer related evidence. So computer evidence can be useful in criminal cases, civil disputes and human resources or employment proceedings. So we know that even in banking or in banks, in all the banks we use the collecting the preservation, that is in digitals only. So here we have the diagram, like techniques of cyber forensics: reverse technography, stochastic forensics, live analysis, cross drive analysis, deleted file recovery. Use of computer forensics in law enforcement. If there is computer on the premises of a crime scene, the chances are very good that there is valuable evidence on that computer. So, if the computer and its contents are examined by anyone other than a trained and experienced computer forensic specialist, the usefulness and credibility of that evidence will be tainted. Choosing a computer forensic specialist for a criminal case. So, when you require the services of a computer forensic specialist, don't be afraid to shop around. So there are an increasing number of people who claim to be experts in the field. So look very carefully at the level of experience of the individuals involved. And there is far more to proper computer forensic analysis and the ability to retrieve data, especially when a criminal case is involved. The bottom line is that you will be retaining the services of an individual who will likely to be called to testify in court to explain what he or she did to computer and its data. So make sure we have to find someone who not only has expertise and experience but also the ability to stand up to scrutiny and pressure of cross examination. Next is computer forensics assistance to human resources or employment proceedings, which means which is giving assistance to human resources. So we can see in airports. So computer forensics analysis is becoming increasingly useful to business too. So it can contain evidence in many types of human resources proceedings, including sexual harassment suits, allegations of discriminations, and wrongful termination claims. Evidence can be found in electronic mail systems, on network servers, and on individual employees' computers. However, due to the ease with which computer data can be manipulated, if the search and analysis is not performed by a trained computer forensic specialist, it could be likely to be thrown out of court. Employer Safeguard Program. As computers become more prevalent in business, employers must safeguard critical business informations. So an unfortunate concern today is the possibility that data could be damaged, destroyed, or misappropriated by a discontent individual. Computer forensic services, which means that which make a directory listing and search through files, does more than turn on a computer, so it works more. For example, they should be able to perform the following services, like data seizure, data duplication and preservations, data recovery, document searches, media conversion, expert witness services, computer evidence service options, and other miscellaneous services. Data seizure: federal rules of civil procedures let a party or their representative inspect and copy designated documents or data compilations that may contain evidence. data duplications and preservation. When one party must seize data from another, two concerns must be addressed. The data must not be altered in any way, and the seizure must not put an undue burden on the responding party. And data recovery. Proprietary tools for our computer experts should be able to safely recover and analyze otherwise inaccessible evidence will be done. So we have to trace that message, and it exists on the storage device. Thank you. Let us see some MCQs. Computer forensics is also known as, and which one option is not a type of cybercrime? CCFP stands for, and it involves the preservation, identification, extractions, and documentation of computer evidence stored as data or magnetically encoded informations. Dash is a recording system, time and date. The answers was given. Thank you.